here with a exciting Black Friday haul. I pretty much majority focused on buying clothing and a little bit of accessories, but I try not to go overboard this time, so can't wait to share that with you. Before I start, I'm going to be thanking Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I have been partnering with them for, I want to say, at least 2 years now, and honestly, like, I do not disappoint with their jewelry. Like, I've been wearing them for so long. If you know me, I'm a type of person that is pretty lazy changing their jewelry, so I tend to wear 1 to 2 pieces at the same time. But I'm wearing a couple pieces right now. So the earrings I have now is these little huggy, like, croissant little earrings, and they are so cute. I love how I don't have to like dress up and they just stand out instantly. Another one is I'm wearing this like necklace. It has a little like link feature, but it also has some little gems as well. And then another piece I got were these bigger earrings. So these are also the croissant type of earrings, but they're definitely bigger, great for the holiday season. So I love how they just have so many styles and they never tarnish. I've always showered with them, which is amazing. I do have a video of my review. I will link it in my cards, but definitely check them out. I believe they're having like a 35% sale right now, so don't miss out. I will also leave my discount code below. But overall, that is my review with them. Let's go ahead and start into the haul. So first of all, I'm going to be starting off with, I guess, the long sleeve I'm wearing. This is actually from Hollister, which I'm really surprised on because I stopped wearing Hollister, I want to say, like a few years ago back. But I decided to pop into the store because they were having a really big sale, and I touched this long sleeve and it was so soft. Like, I was astonished. I was like, whoa, why is this material so soft? Like, I need to get this. Like, I love the cut line, but the thing is, it's cropped, so definitely would wear like high-waisted pants or some high-waisted skirt. But overall, this was like, I want to say 15 bucks, and I was like, I'm sold. Like, it feels good. I don't really care about the brand, but it's nice and warm too. And then I will start off with some activewear. So I've been venturing out on different types of activewear that I like wanted to go for, other than Lululemon and Aritzia, because that's what I usually go for in the past. But I found this little brand. It's called The Giving Movement. It's been like on my feed all the time, and I just love their styles, so I decided to check them out. I would say the price point like is a little bit higher. I would say it's comparable to Lulu and Aritzia for sure. Some other items are a little more expensive, but I just wanted to get like a sweater and like a sports bra. So the sports bra I got was this one, and it's just like a gray. It's padded, and in the back it has like a little crisscross, but I definitely wanted a padded bra, but super stretchy, and I was pretty surprised on the material. It definitely reminded me of Athlete material. So, oh, that's another brand I actually go for too, Athlete. So I'm gonna be also shopping their sale soon. The next item I got was this long sleeve sweater. It's supposed to be very fitted, but material's so soft, so buttery, which I love. It has thumb holes, which is great, and just the little logo at the bottom. It's cute, but I wish I kind of sized up on this because it was a little small. This is an extra small, but it's kind of hit or miss with their, I guess, sizing. Just definitely read the reviews. They are from, I think, Dubai, I think. So I had to ship it to my mailbox in the US just to grab this, but the shipping isn't too bad. And then the Next active wears I got were from Aloe. I know they are a little bit on the pricier side, but I've been looking for certain styles that I can't find anywhere else. But if you do know anywhere that does sell like pretty like similar to Aloe, please link them below. I would love to know. I got this kind of like bra top, sports bra I think, but it's padded too, which I love. I feel like it gives you a good like sculpting on the side. It looks like this in the back, but I love the colorway, and adjustable straps was great. And yeah, I feel like I could definitely like dress this up like even without working out. And then the second item I got was this tennis skirt. I feel like Aloe's tennis skirts are so cute. I do have like Aritzia and Lulu tennis skirts, but I feel like I couldn't find this style anywhere else. Lulu did have it, but they sold out. So this is just so like timeless, so cute. And then it has built-in shorts at the bottom, which is great because no one wants to wear no shorts underneath. And it's definitely very flowy, so I think that's a great feature. This is what it looks like in the back. But I can't wait to wear this with some cute pieces. Okay, and then, so that's all it for activewear. I went down to the States before Black Friday just to check out the early deals. And I got these Good American jeans. But like, they're skinny jeans. Yes, I'm a millennial, so I'm still into skinny jeans. These are cropped. I think they're called the Good Legs Cropped. And normally, like, I'm very picky with jeans. They have to feel really good, but most of my jeans are from Abercrombie or they're from Aritzia. So these ones were so soft when I touched them. I've like checked out Good American, and some of their jeans are like harder, but this one was like super soft, and it was like more than 50% off. I think it says 68% off, which I was like, okay. And it just like made like my butt look good, like it just like fit perfectly, so I was like, why not? But so soft, and I just like in love with it. Okay, and then one item I actually did get from Aritzia is a skirt. I've been eyeing this skirt for a while, and I was gonna wait for the clientele, but then discount wasn't that good. But luckily the skirt went on sale, so this was I think like 50% off. This is the Meta skirt, and it's just kind of like a bodycon skirt, but then it has like a slit on the side. I'm like a sucker for like side slits, so makes me look very like taller. It doesn't like make me look too short. But elasticated band. It's actually really heavy duty, like really thick, which I'm very surprised on. So I just like in love with this color. I think the brand is 10 by Babaton. So it's more of like, I think they're, I want to say like going out dinner wear kind of feel. So I love how I snatched this up like real quick. Okay, let's take a break from clothing. I got some things from Missouri. I've been waiting for their sale for so long, like the whole year. I would just be like, when are they having a sale? Like, when are they gonna have a sale? And then finally, when November hit, like I saw that they were having their Black Friday deal. I know it's not that much. I think they were offering only 20%. So I had a bunch of gift cards. I was like, why not? Might as well just buy something. I bought 3 items, so one of them I'm actually wearing right now. It's this little like huggy earring. It only came with one because I only have one piercing on the side, so got that. And then another piece I got was this ring. I fell in love with this. Like, look how timeless it looks. I have a couple, I think I have another ring from them. It's like more of like a solid band, but this one was like so cute, and like I feel like would look good with everything and just fits like perfectly. The other other items I got were actually these huggy earrings. So I've been looking for like a good pair of like huggy earrings because mine always tarnish, and like I always tend to like get really cheap ones. So I was like, might as well invest. I think this is gold plated, 14K. So I'm glad to wear these, and I'm glad to wear my Ana Luisa earrings. So I'm set. I barely take off these earrings because I'm just lazy, but I'm like glad that they have like a, I guess, a good enough statement to kind of like stick out on my ear. But that is pretty much it that I got for jewelry. Back into clothing. So I also discovered the site Cider. I'm pretty sure you guys have maybe seen it on Facebook or Instagram, but I wanted to try it out. The prices were really good, and I think they're kind of like Shein, where you can buy over a certain amount and then you get free shipping, and they also do free returns, which is great. So I didn't really know my size, but I was like looking on reviews and everything, and I got 3 items. So these items I had to return in the beginning, but this time I finally got my size right, and I'm so happy with them. So the first item is this like maxi skirt, and it has like a slit in the middle, but I was like, oh, that's so cute. And like, I love how it's like so soft. I think it's a polyester, but it's so like flowy, so timeless. Like, I feel like I could match it with a lot of things. I think the only downside is that like I would have to steam it because I feel like it wrinkles a lot. But overall, like, I just wanted like a simple skirt to wear on days that I don't really want to dress up. And then the next item is this pleated skirt, which is also, like, you can see it's wrinkly, but I wanted the ones where you could, it's kind of like 3 pleats in the middle, and then it kind of like flares out a little bit. So I wanted one of these skirts just to like have that it girl, like classic like style, but the only downside is it doesn't come with the under shorts. So there's no shorts built into it. I'm gonna have to like wear my own shorts or even tights. So I loved how, you know, this one was, it's actually like not bad material. I feel like it's like pretty sturdy. And then the last piece I got was this gorgeous dress. I saw it on some girl on TikTok and I fell in love with it. But it's a very long dress. It's like lace, and then it has like a see-through part, and then it just like goes all the way down, and it has like lace on the sides of the leg where you can kind of see your leg, but it's like super long, and like I'm 5'2", so it hits like right at my ankles, which is great because then like I don't have to hem it at all. I guess the downside on this is like it's a little like cheap feeling on the quality, so it's not like 100%, I guess not 100% sturdy. I feel like it's like very thin, like on this part. The satin is like, you could tell it's like very wrinkly, but the satin itself is like not too bad. It's like, it's double lined for sure, but then it's just the feel of it. So I'm definitely only gonna like keep these on like special occasions, like dinners I have to go to. But overall, Cider was pretty good. I feel like it's like not bad if you're trying to like find fast fashion on a budget. So you can definitely check them out. Okay, my last item is a trench coat. I got this from Macy's and they were having, I think, a 50% off sale. I've been looking for like a black trench coat for so long, and I feel like I found the one. So I have to like show you guys, but this is from the brand Lauren by Ralph Lauren. So I was like, okay, it's super good quality, and it like looks so good. This is the back, and then the inside I feel like it's like super lined. But yeah, it's so good. I love how like it has buttons rather than that I guess like this material or like the buckle, because I feel like those ones slide pretty often. But I fell in love with this. I tried out a couple of different ones in store, but this is the one I chose with, and can't wait to wear this. It's like perfect, has the it style, and I'm gonna be wearing that when I go to New York. So that one, I think originally it says $240 and then I bought it for $120 in USD. So that's not too bad compared to the prices here. But overall, that's pretty much what I got for Black Friday. I am still looking because I know there's still a couple days and I'm looking for flight deals. So I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. They have super fast shipping and there's sales going on right now. I feel like this is the best time to like stock up on like all that jewelry or even gifts for people. But thank you for watching my video and I will see you guys next time.